Welcome to our Garden Maintenance and Plant Education series. We will be producing videos on a variety of topics, covering everything from garden maintenance to choosing the right plants for the right place.
All of the videos in this series will be available in English and Spanish, with the hope that it will be a useful training tool for you and your teams. Check out our video channel frequently to see what you can learn from the Midwest team.
Welcome to our garden. We're here in the Midwest Gardens to show you how to prepare a garden bed for spring after a long, cold winter. Today we'll be cutting back the Pete Outoff New Wave garden. You'll notice all of the plants are still up. Some people prefer to cut back their gardens in fall to have a tidy look for winter, but we prefer to leave everything standing. We do this because it provides food and shelter for birds and other wildlife, and also adds winter interest in the garden. So how do we cut all of this back efficiently? We have found the best way is to use automatic tools. We use a string trimmer or hedge trimmer to take most of the items down to the same height in the entire bed. With metal labels throughout our garden beds that we have to work around, the string trimmer can easily trim around them without causing any damage to the machine or the labels. A much quicker alternative is to just run a lawnmower over it. We've removed the labels in this section so that we can demonstrate the mowing method. Here we can simply mow over the garden several times, leaving the debris to create a leaf mulch. However, we're careful not to mow over plants with raised crowns like Spirabolus. We'll still cut those back by hand or with the string trimmer so that they don't get damaged. Since we're trimming in the rest of this garden and not mowing, we'll remove the debris and add a light layer of leaf mulch from Midwest Trading to top dress the soil. There are a few items such as woody shrubs that we do need to prune by hand. Ultimately, if you pick a woody plant that will be the right mature size for your space, you can typically get by with a light prune in early spring. Keep in mind that there are certain shrubs like hydrangeas that need to be pruned at specific times. We'll be going into more detail on the ways to prune different types of hydrangeas in our next video. Another important part of preparing for spring is repairing turf after winter damage. Spot seeding turf repair from our sister company, Midwest Trading, is a great product to have in your spring cleanup toolbox. It's made from a blend of compost and parboiled rice hulls specifically designed for great water retention and improved seed germination. This product is easy to use and eliminates the use of straw blankets, saving you valuable time. Just prepare the bed, apply some seed, and cover it lightly with about 1/4 inch of spot seeding turf repair. Use spot seeding turf repair to help promote a healthy lawn next to your clean garden spaces. And there you have it, our Pete garden is ready for spring. So what comes next? In the coming weeks, we'll see spring bulbs such as snowdrops, tulips, and daffodils popping through the soil and adding the first wave of spring color to the garden. Soon after that, the perennials will start emerging to start a new season of growth for the garden. Minimal maintenance is needed in this garden throughout the spring, with the exception of keeping weeds at bay before the perennials flush. If you're interested in learning more about our gardens, visit the Our Gardens tab at our website at www.midwestgroundcovers.com. Here you can find a list of our display gardens and the full plant lists of each garden. Better yet, visit our gardens throughout the year to see how they evolve over the course of the season. They are designed for multi-season interest, so there is always something new to see. Happy spring cleanup season!